Keep the heat on medium and in a thick bottomed vessel add the milk. Add the washed rice. The rice was washed until the water ran clear. Add in the sugar, the ground almonds, and the ground cashews. Add the cardamom powder and the fresh cream. The heat is on medium and we'll let the milk come to a boil. Stir the milk a few times and keep stirring in between until the milk comes to a boil. The sugar has dissolved completely, so we have raised the heat to high, and now we'll wait for the milk to come to a boil. Stir the milk a few times while it is coming to a boil. So the milk has come to a boil. You can see the bubbles all around the milk. So we have reduced the heat to low, and now we allow the milk to simmer until it is nice and thick and the rice also gets cooked completely. From time to time, we will stir the milk. So after about 10-15 minutes, the rice looks like this. It has started cooking, and this process of the kheer getting completely ready would take around 1 hour. And by that time, the milk and the rice would be completely cooked. They would have thickened, and the kheer would be ready. From time to time, keep scraping the sides of the vessel. So the kheer has been cooking for about 30 minutes now. As you can see, the rice is almost half cooked, but the milk is not yet thick. It is quite thin. And now the kheer is ready. You can see the consistency. It took about 1 hour for the kheer to get ready. So we'll transfer it to a serving bowl. And now we'll garnish the kheer with ground almonds, ground cashews, and cardamom powder. Once the kheer cools down completely, we will garnish it with the raisins. The kheer has cooled down completely. We'll garnish with the raisins and keep the kheer to chill in the fridge and then serve it. So here is our recipe of the day. Chawal ki kheer, do try it and give your feedback. Subscribe to our channel and share our video. Thank you.